The beginning of West Music was 1941. It began because my father was a very good repairman. And so he set up a company that he could repair instruments, and that's how the companies all started. And here we are 85 years later. So repair has always been this foundation of West Music from the very, very get-go. That's the reason we existed, and it's still the reason we exist.
Musicians often have a very deep relationship with their instrument, and it is important to recognize that it's very personal to them, and they take it very seriously. And so we too take it seriously.
Working with so many students over the years and knowing the importance of having an instrument that is playable and is not going to hold them back in their musical endeavors is something that I saw all the time. Now, from being in the shop and actually fixing that instrument and then seeing it go out and knowing that they are happy with the way the instrument is playing and able to do what they want with it musically is really satisfying.
It's not just getting it repaired, but doing it well and doing it right. It has been our focus. It's our foundation. It is from which the whole company has been built from.
Oftentimes a musical instrument is an expression of someone's self, and that instrument, it goes with them, it goes with their whole life. So if someone wants that repaired, we want to be there with them and be their partner with that so they can keep that instrument that's part of their family, that's part of their own life along the way.
West Music is really good with having a pulse of what band directors needs. And in a school music program where kids are playing every day, things do wear out. Repairs are needed in order to maintain good working quality. What I've learned through my career is it's all about relationships with students, parents, administrators, and your music dealer. And through those relationships, you can talk about things that are going to allow you to be successful. And that's one thing that I've always really appreciated with my relationship with West Music.
To me, it always seemed somewhat like magic. Taking an instrument that, a trumpet that got dropped and the bell is crushed and maybe the first valve doesn't work anymore, and getting it to function again, as well as removing the dents from the bell, and suddenly it looks like a trumpet again, and getting that all polished up and put back in the case and sending it out, and knowing that somebody's going to open up that case and go, wow, this works again.
Well, I'm grateful to be able to do this work. I spent a lot of time in my earlier years formatting the skill, and so there's a lot of comfort and peace, cutting another bridge. Those are some great experiences to work with somebody and hear what they need or want or what's frustrating them and go ahead and fix it for them. It's nice to see a happy smiling face.
Repair is a way that we build relationships. We always say we're in the relationship business, and when repair is part of it, it really allows us to be part of the whole life of the instrument, the life of the musician. We want to make sure that every musician has the best possible experience and they can keep playing day after day. That's what our repair team does.